What if I told you UPS is paying drivers to quit? That's right, no layoffs, no firings, just straight up cash buyouts. For the first time in UPS's 117-year history. Let's break this down. UPS just launched what they're calling the Driver Voluntary Severance Plan. It's a financial offer made to full-time US drivers if they choose to leave the company. These drivers would walk away with a lump sum payment plus their pension, plus continued healthcare benefits. UPS says this is part of their biggest network reconfiguration ever. Their words, not mine. They're looking to restructure, cut costs, and streamline operations. And this isn't just a few tweaks. We're talking about cutting 20,000 jobs, shutting down 73 facilities, and slashing Amazon price volume by 50%. So why now? UPS has been struggling. In the first quarter alone, package volume dropped 3.5%. Their stock is down by 45% since July of last year. Rising labor costs, slowing parcel demand, it's hitting them hard. So the company is making moves. But let's talk about who this affects. There are about 330,000 Teamsters represented UPS drivers. This includes feeder drivers, the ones driving the big rigs between facilities, and yes, they qualify for the buyout too. Many of these drivers are making up to $170,000 a year when you factor in pay and benefits. These are good jobs, tough jobs, union jobs. So naturally, the offer is tempting, especially for drivers who are just a couple of years away from retirement. If you are already planning to leave, this might seem like a bonus exit plan, but not everyone sees it that way. Enter the Teamsters Union. Teamsters President Shan OBrien has already come out swinging, calling the buyout plan illegal and labeling it a violation of the 2023 national contract. That contract, signed just last year, required UPS to create 22,500 new full-time jobs, not reduce them. And now UPS wants to pay people to walk away? The union isn't having it. They're calling this move a betrayal, a sellout, and they're warning drivers not to sign anything. In fact, the Teamsters have issued a formal demand to UPS. They want transparency, they want data on current job openings, they want proof that UPS is hitting its hiring goals, and they want answers about those promised air-conditioned vans. As of now, UPS has not responded. But here's where it gets real. This isn't just about money. It's about the future of labor in logistics. UPS already offered buyouts to pilots last year. They've trimmed corporate staff. Now, for the first time, they're coming for frontline union-represented drivers. This is part of CEO Carol Tomei's strategy to regain control in a changing market. But to many workers, it feels like a quiet purge of the most experienced and the highest paid employees. Let's be honest. This isn't about giving drivers more options. It's about cutting costs. So if you are a UPS driver watching this right now, what should you do? Well, here's my take. If you're within 1 to 3 years of retirement and we're planning to leave soon anyway, this could make financial sense. You get cash now, you retire early, and you still get your pension and benefits. But if you are mid-career or just getting started, this is not the time to cash out. You lose seniority, you lose job security, and once you leave, there is no coming back. Even though they say it's voluntary, let's not pretend there won't be pressure. When the company wants you gone, you'll feel it in 1,000 little ways. And that's the real play here. UPS is trying to replace union drivers with cheaper contract labor. So contract workers, part-timers, automation. That's the end game. So think hard. Are you being offered a reward or a severance disguised as a gift? Don't make this decision alone. Talk to your union reps. Demand full transparency. Break down the financials. Consider your long-term pension and healthcare. And don't rush. Even if you're not a UPS driver, you should care about this because it sets a dangerous precedent. If UPS can quietly push out union workers, other companies will follow. So tell me in the comments, are you a UPS driver? Are you thinking about taking the buyout? Or are you standing firm? Do you see this as a blessing or a betrayal? So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with every driver you know. This isn't just a company shift. It's a turning point for your entire industry. I'm in trucking, and I'll keep bringing you the truth from the front lines. Excuse me. Stay strong, stay sharp, and let's keep this conversation going. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.